Hello, welcome back to another issue of Exploring Mathematics. Today, we're going to discuss how to add and subtract polynomials. A polynomial, poly means many, nomials means numbers. So what we're going to be doing is adding, subtracting many numbers with variables, exponents. Just we're going to follow the rules of mathematics. One important thing you're going to see is over here on the side is I have a four-step plan. If you're not comfortable with how to do this, or you haven't done this before, this is a great tool to help you realize how to do it. By the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to do some shortcuts. Okay, we have these four steps, and I have several questions right here. Let's start with the first one. It says change the minus signs between parentheses into plus signs by distributing. Well, this is not a minus sign, it is a plus sign. So that part is done. Next step says remove all parentheses. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write 7p, not plus, but minus, minus 2p squared plus 4p minus 3p squared. So I remove the parentheses. Then I'm going to write in standard form, which means going from highest power to lowest power. When they say highest power, they're talking about this. These are my powers. What's there? What's there? My highest powers are the 2's. My lowest powers are these invisible 1's. So I'm going to start with the 2's. I'm going to write them first. This one. Negative 2p squared minus 3p squared. Okay. Next, I'm going to do the powers of 1. Plus 7p plus 4p. And I got them all written down. I just should underline this. Okay, so I've done standard form, highest to lowest. Combine like terms. Combine like terms means I have to combine the ones that have the same variable, p, to the same power, 2. So negative 2p, take away 3 more p is squared. The 7p plus the 4p means I've got 11 p's. That does not become p squared, because this is like saying I have 7 pizzas plus 4 more pizzas. I got a total of 11 pizzas, not 11 pizzas squared. This answer is finished. Negative 5p squared plus 11p. Let's try another one. And we'll erase our check marks. Change the minus signs into plus signs. Well, this one right here, that's a minus sign, turning into a plus, but I got to distribute the negative inside this parentheses. So now it's a plus here, and there's a plus here. Done it. Remove the parentheses, so I'm going to rewrite it. 2n to the 4th minus 5. This down here is plus negative 5. I can write it as minus 5. Plus negative 7 is the same as negative 7n squared plus 3n to the 4th plus 7. Okay, I removed the parentheses. Now what I want to do is write it in standard form, highest power first. I have a 4th power and a 4th power. They're coming first. 2n to the 4th plus 3n to the 4th. Okay, what's my next power? Well, below 4 would be a power of 3. I don't see any 3 power. How about a power of 2? I got one right there. Minus 7n squared. Okay, there's no other n squares, so how about 1 power? No, I don't see any, but I got these guys all have 0 n's, so that means 0 n to the 0 power. So I'm going to write them next. minus 5 plus 7. Okay, I've written them. Last step is combine your like terms. Well, 2 plus 3, 5 into the fourth. This one has no partner, so just bring it down. These three get combined. Negative 5, take away 5 more is negative 10. Add 7 to that, we get negative 3. Done. Okay, so that's the first two questions. I'm going to try another couple. Let's see what we got. We're going to follow the same steps. I'm going to write this one up here. Change the minus signs into plus signs. I got this minus sign. Change it to a plus by distributing it. So this becomes negative, and this becomes negative. Got it. Remove the parentheses, so just rewrite it. 5x plus 4x cubed minus 2x minus 7x squared minus 7x cubed. I just removed these parentheses, and all I got left is this stuff. This became plus, so I have everything written out. Next part. Write it in standard form, highest power first. My highest powers are the 3's. 4x cubed minus 7x cubed. Those are done. Now after 3 is 2. I got a power of 2 here, minus 7x squared. There's no other 2's, so I'm going to go to 1 power. Here's a 1, there's a 1. So plus 5x to the invisible 1 minus 2x to the invisible 1. Every term has been rewritten from highest power to lowest power. Now all we got to do is combine our like terms. We're going to have powers of 3, powers of 2, and powers of 1. So 4 take away 7, negative 3 x cubed minus 7x squared. 5 take away 2 is 3, positive 3x. There's my answer. All right. We're going to try one more. This time, I've taken away the cheat sheet to help you out. First step, find the minus signs between the parentheses. I got one right here. So I'm going to turn this into a plus and distribute it to these guys. A negative here and a negative there. Now I'm going to rewrite it all. Three k squared minus 3 plus 5k4 plus 8k4 minus 7 minus 4k squared minus 6k squared minus k to the fourth. Since these are plus signs now, I just write what I see and ignore the parentheses. They're gone. Okay, now I'm going to put it in order. Highest power to lowest. Highest powers are the 4's, I think. One. I got one here, I got one here, and one there. Okay, then comes the power of 3. I don't see any powers of 3. How about power of 2? Got one here, got one here, got one there. So it's a plus 3k squared minus 4k squared minus 6k squared. So now I'm going to look for powers of 1, which there are none. So powers of 0, these two guys. Minus 3 minus 7. They're all written in order. Go combine our like terms here, here, and here. 5 plus 8 is 13. Take away 1, because that's an invisible 1 right there, 1k. 12, k to the fourth. 3 take away 4 is negative 1. take away 6 more is negative 7k squared. Negative 3 take away 7 more is negative 10. Done. Okay, we're going to try 2 more. This one. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to follow this. I'm going to do some of this in my head and show you a shortcut. So all I'm going to do is write the answers, starting from highest power. My highest power is here at 4. So I'm going to say 8v plus another 8v to the 4th plus 3 more v to the 4th. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 3 is 19v to the 4th. Okay, so I'm going to switch colors. Next highest power is a 3. I got a negative 7v3, negative 5v3, negative 8. So negative 7 plus negative 5, that's negative 12, plus negative 8 is negative 20. And the last one, I got a v squared, that's negative 1v squared, plus negative 5, negative 1 and a negative 5 makes negative 6, plus 5, negative 1, v squared. Everything has been accounted for. Everything's been used. I'm done. So I'm going to try that one more time on this one. I'll do the same thing. Highest power, I'm looking. I see these 4s. Okay, so these are the ones I start with. But I want to get rid of this first. So turn it to a plus sign, switch that, and switch that. Here's how I read it. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 12x to the 4th. Now I'm going to look for the next power. 4, 3, no 3. How about 2? Got 2 here, 2 here. So this is 8x squared plus negative 8x squared. They cancel each other out. I don't write it. How about x to the first power? Got it right here. Are there any other x to the first powers? No. And now I'm going to go to x to the 0 power. That's this one and this one. So 3 plus negative 5, negative 2. Everything has been underlined, checked off, done. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, you can always email.